Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can download a free copyright music for your YouTube videos. So guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, before I have been struggling where to get a free copyright music for my videos on YouTube and on my social media accounts, especially YouTube. But they say I should go to Epidemic Sound and download, or go to Spotify, but all those ones are, all those music in those applications are payable. You have to subscribe. And sometimes I will download music from Epidemic or download music from Spotify or other applications that they say that is free and non-copyright, but I will post it on YouTube and YouTube will strike my video. YouTube will unpublish my video. So where have I gone wrong posting video? I will spend time making content after I post the video, spend time editing after, and I post the video, my video will be unpublished. So I keep making inquiries. So I now found out that on YouTube Studio you can download free music on YouTube Studio. Do you know how you can download it? Use your Google app, like Chrome app. Chrome. Use Chrome. Log into YouTube, your YouTube account. You just type studio.youtube.com. Go to studio.youtube.com in Google. Then you go down. You will see down here. You go down here. You will see this down here. You go there. If you go there, then click that place. Then they will show you music, free music. You will see free music that you can use in your video on YouTube, that they will not copyright it. Because if you take music from TikTok or from other applications and post it on YouTube, they write it copyright, because those people that have those music, they put it copyright. But if you take music from YouTube, there's no way they will copyright the music or copyright your video. You spend time making video. After making the video and you add the music, and they will say it's copyright. Why? Because of the music that you add in your video is copyright. So how you can download free music for your video to make your content on this thing on YouTube? Go to studio.youtube.com in any app like Chrome app or Google app. Just type studio.youtube.com. Go down, you will see where they put sign off music, download it there and use it for your content. Thank you guys, and please share this video so that others can see it. I love you guys, and peace out. One love. Peace out.